Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna describe something really interesting, and let me know how you feel about it once we go till the end. So guys, as you can see on your screen, Canada has announced new work permit for H1-B visa holders. So those of you who are aware of USA visas or have some idea, you know that what H1-B visa is. In fact, once even I had entered that draw and my application was picked up, but then it did not work out because my employer had to send me somewhere else. Okay, so starting July 16th, okay, H1B holders in the USA and their accompanying immediate family members are going to be eligible to come to Canada on an open work permit. That means they can work for any eligible employer in Canada. Okay, so and this will remain in effect for 1 year or until IRCC receives 10,000 applications. So this is not a permanent measure, it's a temporary, you can say, where either it's going to stay for 1 year or unless they get 10,000 applications. Again, they can always change the criteria whenever they want to, but it's a good initiative. And now how this will help, I will tell you. Recently, lot of H1B holders in USA were finding themselves in difficult situations where they had lost their job and they had very less time to get another one, and otherwise they had to go back, right? While nobody wants to get into that situation, such situations do surface, we all know, right? So this will be a kind of protection for them, a kind of an option, I would say. I won't say protection, an option, that now if they get a work permit they can come here also and stay here legally, okay, and work also. And this will boost Canadian options too, because while getting a foreign worker getting through H1B visa takes time, like those who are aware of this process, like petition, interview and all. While for Canada open work permit, generally I'm talking about general thing, it's simple, you apply online and get approval, but again it varies case by case and you may need to go for interview if they really feel to, but that's rare. So this will boost. So again, it's a good initiative and let's see how it works out. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.